In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for Realtors, a complete 2025 beginner's guide. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your real estate business workflow, Asana is a fantastic tool to streamline your processes. So let's dive right in and get you all set up. First, head over to Asana's website. If you haven't already signed up, don't worry. You can start with the free version, which works perfectly for beginners. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll want to create a new workspace. This is essentially your home base in Asana. Consider naming it something that aligns with your business, like real estate team, or simply use your brokerage's name. This helps everyone on your team to quickly identify and organize the workspace. Next, it's time to create your first project. Start by clicking on New Project and select the Board View option. This view is particularly helpful for creating pipelines, which are essential in real estate for keeping track of properties and client leads. You might name this project Active Listings or Property Pipeline. Whatever suits you best will do, as long as it's clear for you and your team members. Once your project is set up, you'll start adding tasks, with each task representing one property or client lead. This is where the real magic begins in organizing your listings. In the task description, you'll want to thoroughly include all relevant details such as the property address, the names of the sellers or buyers, their budget, and any notes you might have. Additionally, Asana allows you to attach documents like contracts, photos, and inspection reports, keeping everything you need neatly in one place. Now, you'll want to assign these tasks. You can either assign them to yourself or to the team member responsible for handling that particular client. Adding due dates is crucial here. Set these dates for key events such as showings, offer deadlines, and contract signings. This organizational step ensures no critical step or deadline is missed in your busy real estate schedule. Another powerful feature in Asana is the calendar view. Switch your project to this view to gain a visual understanding of your schedule and deadlines. It's a game changer for ensuring you and your team manage time efficiently and aren't overwhelmed by concurrent tasks. Finally, you can track your progress using dashboards. Create a dashboard to visualize how many listings are at each stage of your pipeline. Add charts that reflect the number of active deals, leads waiting for a follow-up, or compare closed deals versus pending ones. Dashboards not only provide a snapshot of current operations, but also allow you to measure performance, helping you stay on top of your real estate pipeline. And there you have it. You've just taken your first steps in mastering Asana for your real estate business. By leveraging Asana's organizational capabilities, you're setting yourself up for smoother transactions and increased productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.